Hello and welcome to the chat desk. I am Mary and I am very hungry today because our topic is delicious.
Hello, everyone. I am James. Mary, I am hungry too. Today we are talking about cooking. It is a great topic for learning English because we use these words every day in the kitchen.
You are right, James. Cooking is like a language. James, tell me, do you cook at home or do you eat at restaurants?
I usually cook at home. I think cooking at home is healthy and cheap. I like to know what is in my food, but I am not a professional chef. I am just a beginner. What about you, Mary? Are you a good cook?
I love cooking. My mother is a great cook and she taught me many things. For me, the kitchen is the best room in the house. I like the smell of fresh vegetables and spices. James, what is your favorite thing to cook?
Well, I like simple food. I often cook pasta. It is very easy. I boil water, I put the pasta in, and I make a simple tomato sauce. Sometimes I add cheese. Everyone likes pasta, right?
Pasta is perfect. It is easy and fast. But James, do you use a recipe? A book or video that tells you how to cook?
Sometimes I use YouTube. I watch how-to videos. It helps me because I can see the food. But sometimes the people in the videos speak very fast. It is difficult for my English.
I understand. That is why cooking is good for practice. You learn words like cut, boil, fry, and mix. For our listeners, I suggest watching cooking videos in English with subtitles. It is a very fun way to learn.
That is a great suggestion, Mary. I have a question. Do you like cooking for other people? For example, for your friends or family?
Oh, yes. I love hosting dinners. Last weekend, I cooked for my friends. I made chicken with potatoes and a big salad. We talked and laughed for hours. Food brings people together. Do you ever cook for your friends, James?
I am a bit nervous about that. I'm afraid the food will be bad. What if the chicken is dry or the soup has too much salt?
Don't worry, James. Even professional chefs make mistakes. If there is too much salt, you can add a potato to the soup. It is a little secret. The most important thing is to try. Practice makes perfect, in cooking and in English.
You are so positive, Mary. Thank you. I want to learn more. I want to try making a cake. Is making a cake difficult?
Baking is a little different because you must be very careful with the numbers. 2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of flour. It is like a science project. But the smell of a cake in the oven is amazing. Your house smells like a bakery.
Okay, I will try to bake a cake this weekend. Maybe a chocolate cake. Mary, what do we need for the next episode of Learning with the Chat Desk?
Well, maybe we can talk about shopping for food at the market. But for now, I need to go to my kitchen and make some lunch.
Me too. Thank you for listening to us today on the Chat Desk. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about cooking.
Enjoy your meal and keep practicing your English. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.